Hey, what's going on? Rick Pedro, Diamond City Jewelers. I want to thank each and every one of you for helping our custom manufacturing department grow beyond my expectations, and sometimes growing beyond the fact that I can even handle it. So love you, and we put some new infrastructure together to help it go quicker. What I'm going to do is go over how it works so we can get you the perfect custom piece at the right price. The other great news is I'm going to have lower prices on all your custom pieces of jewelry. I'm going to match any price from, I don't care, New York to Los Angeles, the Bay Area to Sacramento. I'll beat any price as long as we're comparing apples to apples, not apples to grapefruit. So if they're saying they're VS, they're not VS, then we have to make sure that's truly VS, okay? So we'll go over that. But I would love to make your custom piece, that one of a kind that would make you stand out in the crowd and give you that representation of your brand, your company, your record label, whatever it is that you want, okay? So I want to make sure that you get the best price, the best quality, most conveniently for your custom piece. Here's how it works. It's real simple. You have something in your head and I can't see that. So we're going to extract that information from what your thoughts are onto a piece of paper and create a sketch. From that sketch, we'll create an AutoCAD. That is a living, live, computerized version of exactly what you want. In that will be the actual specifications, like diamond weight, the gold weight, what type of diamonds, what type of gold, so everything. And you'll get a quote. I promise you I will get the cost as low as I can. I'll mark it up just enough so I can stay in business to give you the lifetime guarantee, the lifetime cleaning, but most of all, create you that highest quality piece of jewelry for the lowest price, but enough that I can stay in business. Of course, I'm not trying to sell jewelry and go out of business. I hope you can respect that. But I want to make sure you get the best deal. I don't want to overtax anybody, but I don't want to be so low that hey, sorry, I'm not here to take care of your jewelry. So we'll work together to make sure you get the best price and the best quality. But most importantly, exactly what is in your heart and in your vision, I want to make for you so you can wear it proudly, okay? So all you need to do is go to Instagram and you can DM your thoughts. You go to Instagram, get some ideas of fonts and pricing. So once you've gathered the font, the size, and you know exactly what you want, you can book your video appointment, you can book an in-store appointment, or you can even go to diamondcity.biz and submit your specifications and your artwork right on diamondcity.biz, our website, and we'll get right back to you. The biggest thing that we can offer you is if you have good credit, a higher credit score, like an 800 and higher, we offer a no down payment, no interest for a year to finance your custom piece. Wow, that's really good, help boost your credit. If your credit's a little rough, you've had some troubles like me in the past, divorce or whatever, and you're trying to rebuild your credit, we have financing and lease options where you can lease your custom piece. So now you can get a custom piece at the lowest price, the highest quality from your boy here, Rick Pedro, Diamond City Jewelers and Family, and you can make it convenient over a payment plan. So go check us out now. Go to @DiamondCityJ or diamondcity.biz. Let's get your custom piece started right away. I promise you the highest quality, the lowest price possible.